Hi, welcome to this week's video. This week I'm turning some claret ash. I got the claret ash from my wife's mother and father. They live up near Myrtleford in the north east of Victoria. They were cutting down some of these trees that you can see now, and I was able to get a little piece of the cuttings. Not sure where the rest of the cuttings went. I think they're gone for firewood. Anyway, I turned the claret ash into a vase using a roughing gouge. At the moment that's my tool of choice. And then on the outside, because it's a fairly bland wood, I used a beading tool. Now I got this beading tool by mistake, or not by mistake. When you get these offers from the tool companies, they give you 15% off if you buy $500. And of course I was only up to about $300, so I had to get that 15%. I had to spend a little bit more money, so I decided to buy this beading tool, and of course I have to use it now because I've spent the money. Anyway, it's a bit of a scam, these 15% discounts that they offer you, because you need to spend more money than what you really should, and in this case I probably spent an extra $200 than I should have. Anyway, it turned out alright. Besides all that, I then hollowed it out using a carbine tool, and then finished it off with tung oil. It's come up quite well. Didn't check or crack like I thought it might have been. It was fairly green wood, and it seems to have held up quite well. Anyway, hope you enjoy this video. Cheerio.